Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Soborodon. Soborodon is a rice ball topped with meat crumbles and egg crumbles. It's so easy to make and you can make it in no time. Let's get started. These are the ingredients for 2 servings. I have 100 grams of ground pork, about 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of mirin, 2 teaspoons of sake. That's the ingredients for ground pork. And for egg part, I have 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of mirin, a pinch of salt. And I also have some sliced green onion to garnish to make it a little bit prettier. So let's start with pork. So I have 100 grams of ground pork in this little pot. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of sake, 2 teaspoons of mirin, and also 50 milliliters of water. The heat is still off, and before you turn the heat on, you mix this well. All the pork broke into little pieces. And then turn the heat on and you cook it over medium to medium high heat as you mix. Keep mixing until it turns into brown. When pork turns into brown, you can stop mixing, but you keep cooking until there is almost no liquid left. It will take a while, so I'm doing it over here so that I can do scrambled egg here. Prepare a small non-stick skillet and put an egg in it. The heat is off now. Put 1 tablespoon of mirin, pinch of salt, and before you turn the heat on, you mix it well using 2 pairs of chopsticks. It's 4 chopsticks, 2 pairs of chopsticks. Beat the egg well. Then turn the heat on, medium to medium high heat, and keep mixing it. Make sure the edge of 4 chopsticks are always scraping the bottom of the skillet. Now you can see the egg at the bottom is cooking. Keep mixing until the egg is completely cooked. The egg is ready, so let's turn the heat off. Now we are going back to the pork. It's been cooked 4 to 5 minutes. All the seasoning are cooked down, and when you scrape it, you can see the bottom of the pot. No liquid left. Add grated ginger, mix it, and cook it about 10 to 20 seconds. You never want to overcook it after you add ginger because it will kill the flavor of ginger. Make sure you don't overcook it. And your pork soboro is ready. Turn the heat off. Prepare a bowl of rice like this, make it kind of flat, and we are putting the toppings, pork topping and egg topping on top. Let's start with the egg. You put the egg on one side and put the pork soboro on the other side. Put some sliced green onion in the middle. Soborodon is ready. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!